Hardline Solutions out here with the LP401. My friends at Intermountain Bobcat rented us a wild camera to come out here and break a bunch of cement out. Let's go ahead and see what it'll do. Hardline's remotes are real simple. This is your lift and hoist control, your drive controls, and a couple switches for your LED lights and your auxiliary control. Hardline offers not just a screen on your remote so that you can operate it safely from inside the cab of your truck, but we also offer a second screen that we call Far Sight to give you the ability to still maintain operations at a safe distance and give you optimal viewing from no matter anywhere that you're at, with up to 1,000 feet.